back to my How the Stock Market series. We're in episode 2 here. The market is about close. It's 12:36, but I'm currently out of all markets at the moment. For this video, I just wanted to talk about the Tesla stock and how it was a negative earnings winner, but it still rose almost 15% within intraday, and it's quite wild at this point. They was the EPS, the projected EPS was at minus $2.81 per share, but the actual EPS is -3. So naturally, most people would think that this stock would have dipped instead of gained 15%. So we're gonna talk about this a little bit and what caused it to be such a winner, earnings winner today. So currently, the earnings estimated that the cash is of the company is about $2 billion. They're planning to release 10,000 Tesla vehicles per week. They're doing phenomenal in the earnings. As we can see here in Alpha News, Tesla announced decent results. Company's future looks more hopeful, but there's some concern. Waiting for this day for the last 3 months and announced its quarterly results with shareholders letters. The sky is not falling. So most people believe that this stock was going to lose a lot. They didn't see much future for this company. However, the results proved otherwise, and we can see here that the revenues were up 22% from the last quarter and 55% year over year, which is a lot, which is actually very good news. Another news is that 200,000 vehicles during the quarter, kept it self-passing, held off many deliveries, so they haven't, a lot of the financial reports don't even take into account these extra 200,000 vehicles, which is a lot of money, and they also benefit from $7,500 tax credit for another quarter. This is definitely huge. Their operating cash flow was a negative 129 million, and it's improvement from the previous 399 million. So they are consistently growing and producing better results throughout. Tesla also said that it will be producing 50 to 55,000 Model 3s during the quarter. Since Q3 of this year has 13 weeks, this comes down to an average weekly production of about 4,000 vehicles per week, and they promised 5,000, but it's slightly lower. So overall, they're making good progress, as we can see in the markets, in the current markets today. What is it? They opened, what is it today? About $330 and close at $347. My projection going forwards, as we can see, they took a huge dip. They're still down overall within the month. Overall, within 3 months, their peak was at 370. So it may rise even more to this point, to this resistance levels. As we can see here, within the year, this is where the maximum peak is, around 370 to 380, while their support levels, lowest support levels, is around 250 year to year. Overall, within 3 months, around 250, 270. So I would recommend, buying when it's in the maybe high to mid 200s would be a good option going forwards with the stock. Overall, in the 5-year window, it is generally overall a good day trading stock. There's isn't, you know, consistent growth, but there are lots of dips where you can buy in and potentially make big returns just from, you know, carefully investigating the stock and understanding what's going on with the company and how it's going to move forwards with their overall business. At the same time, Elon Musk has, you know, proven himself to be a very capable, you know, CEO and a leader. And we, you know, for me personally, I just see a lot of potential going forwards. And this should definitely be a stock that should be on everyone's watch list, especially in this current moment. And, you know, yeah, that's about it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed this one. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the section below. Please also like and subscribe to see more contents like this. I will be very transparent on my trades and show you my full value, my full Robinhood portfolio, so you may all join me on this journey, and hopefully you may also learn something as well in this process. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Eat in the morning. I ain't looking for a ring 'cause I got what I want. I ain't looking for a ring 'cause I got what I need. 4 in the morning, I buy you a drink. 6 in the morning, I take you back to my crib.